Today, we're celebrating same-sex marriage because 10 years ago, it was legalized nationwide. The landmark decision, Obergefell versus Hodges, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled in favor of same-sex marriage on June 26, 2015. James Obergefell and his partner, John Arthur, brought the initial legal action after the state of Ohio would not recognize their union on Arthur's death certificate. The Supreme Court ruled the right to marry is fundamental, calling it inherent in the liberty of the person and therefore protected by the Constitution. While most states had already recognized same-sex marriages, it was a major win for gay couples in 14 states that did not recognize these unions. Maine legalized same-sex marriage in 2012.
The court said that the right of marriage is such a fundamentally important right that it extends to everyone, regardless of whether they love persons of the opposite sex or persons of the same sex.
I wanted to make sure if something happened to me, she was the person who would inherit if something happened to both of us.
Mm-hmm.
And
that you had a legal relationship.
I had a legal relationship.
However, Obergefell says the fight is still not over. He fears recent comments from the conservative Supreme Court justices may signal a willingness to overturn it. And speaking of Pride, Bangor will be celebrating the LGBTQ+ community this weekend. The city is set to hold their Pride Parade Saturday. If you can't make it in person, we'll be covering it live on News Center Maine Plus. You can download the app right to your TV. It's free on Roku, Amazon TV, and Amazon Fire.